Hey guys, what's up? Hope you like my new hair. I just got it dyed this week. It looks really good. I kind of wanted it to be blonde with like a pink color, and I typically don't like myself very blonde because I have such dark hair. We were gonna bleach it twice, but she just did it once because I didn't know if I would like it platinum blonde. And yeah, I've been wanting these for a really long time. I'll show you guys the reference picture that I used. And yeah, I really like it. This is totally out of my comfort zone, but I really like it. It's really cool. Here's a picture of it when I curled it and styled it. So yeah, now I feel like I can't wear like all the colors, but it's okay. Purple, green, pink, like hair color that you put in your hair always washes out. It's not like permanent or anything. So yeah, this is after I think my hairdresser washed it the day that she dyed it, and then I just washed it because don't wash your hair every day, it's not good. So I just washed it like a day or two later. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I straightened it for the first time. It looks really cool. It's really trendy right now, so I thought it'd be really cool to do. And we're in quarantine, so hashtag bored in the house, and I'm bored. And this is really like one of the exciting things to my quarantine. But yeah, today I'm just gonna do a get ready with me, a sped up edition. If you guys want, I'll do a voiceover and I'll show you guys the products that I'm using and everything like that. Remember, it's summer, so use SPF. Even when I go to the beach, I only wear BB cream or like a concealer with some lashes and stuff. I try not to put makeup like under here. If you guys want a video on that, my makeup routine when I go to the beach, let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you like my outfit. It's really cute. But it's this cute Barbie set with, and it's like this. I got it from Forever 21. And by the way, I've been doing my own nails in quarantine. Let me know if you guys want a video on that. And yeah, I think we're just gonna hop on into it. I'm gonna do a sped up get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. So first, I'm gonna be putting on these cute little cat ears to push all my hair away. And then I'm gonna be putting on the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15. This is very important, especially in the summertime. And then I'm going to be taking some alcohol, hashtag Corona, have to stay clean. Then I'm taking the Kylie Jenner primer and the Huda Beauty Faux filter foundation. I take my Cover FX foundation brush. I'm going to mix those together, and I put that all over my face and on my neck. And then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced setting spray with my Real Techniques body face sponge. I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Yes, I still use it. Yes, some things don't change. I ran out of the smaller one, so I'm just going to use the big one. I think this is their foundation. Now I'm going to be taking the Morphe Concealer. I got this for prom, like last year, and I got it when I got a spray tan, but it's obviously too dark, but I only put like a little bit on, or else it's too dark. Then I'm taking my Real Techniques contour brush, and I sprayed it with my Too Faced setting spray, and then I use the sponge again to blend out the concealer and to make sure my contour is not too muddy, but literally I just put a few dots on me, and it blends out pretty good. And as you see, I just put some on my forehead because hashtag be forehead, and it blends out pretty well. And then I take my sponge I use for like my face makeup, my concealer and foundation to like blend it out. And don't mind that light thing on the right. Sorry, my bad. Hashtag out of practice. Oops. And then I'm going to be taking the Airspun loose powder. Yes, I got it from Patrick Star. I know it's hashtag throwback. I was inspired to get this by him, and I finally got it. Then, as you see, I'm taking my ring finger to blend out all the creases. I'm just patting that in. And I'm just going to be baking, even though I went to makeup school, and they said that it's actually not good, but it's alright. We learned that they actually just, like, to cover a blemish on like a slippery or whatever, they actually just put color corrector and a foundation in, and then they put it on, and then just keep stacking layers. So baking is basically just that, just for convenience purposes, in my opinion, for me, and how I like to do my makeup. But you're your own artist, do your thing. So I basically just focus this on my T-zone, like under my eyes, on my eyelids, on the sides of my nose to reduce its size, above my mouth, chin, under my contour, and like in between my eyebrows, and my forehead to make like a small V, to help balance the highlight I put on the rest of my face. And so it's not like just a brown line like on my forehead, if that makes sense. It just blends everything out, makes it look more natural. Then I take a big condensed fluffy brush, and I use it to set my neck and like the rest of my face that I didn't bake. And then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. Yep, that hasn't really changed either. I've been using the Maybelline Brow Pencil Stick, but that ran out like this stuff has lasted me like many years. Like I think I've had one of these for like a year and a half. This is like my 4th or 5th like pot of it. And then I'm just going to be blending them out. Then I'm going to be taking the concealer to clean up my eyebrows and put in the front to give it a faded brow effect. Then I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay wide palette. And then I'm going to be taking the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. I just got the newest one, the Naked Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I'll gladly do it for you. And then I'm just going to be taking those two like mauve pink rosy colors as a transition shade. And I like my eyeshadow kind of tapered and pointed up, and I'm giving myself a pink smoky eye. So with those two colors, you grab any colors that look like that, just transition shade. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a bigger fluffy brush and take those two of the same colors, and I like it better because it's tapered and it's fluffy and it gets right in the crease of your eye. Then I'm going to be taking the Wired Urban Decay palette, that really hot pink color, with a big fluffy brush. I think it's by Morphe, and I'm just going to be putting that right under the transition shade I just did, like on my eyelid and like right under the transition shades, just to give it a little pop. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay Cherry palette, those two shimmery shades, on a flat shadow brush, and I'm putting that on my eyelid, but it was a little bit too light for me. Then I'm going to be taking a Morphe palette and getting that really hot pink shade, those two hot pink shades I showed you, and putting it all over my lid. And that flat shadow brush is great because it like carves out my lid perfectly. Then I'm going to put some Burt's Bees chapstick on. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay Wired palette, the hot pink color, and just putting it over where I just did to give it color. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay Cherry palette and that dark mauve pink shade in there, and I'm using a smaller fluffy brush and really just like tapping it on and packing that right above the soft cut crease I did. And then I'm taking the pink again and just blending it all out. Then I'm taking the Carli Bybel palette by BH Cosmetics and taking her like pale color and just fixing the eyeshadow that fell on my face, and so I don't look like I have a pink, punched eye. Then I'm take the pink shimmery shade in there and highlighting my brow bone and inner tear duct, and it's really pretty because it's pink and, pink smoky eye. And then I'm using that same highlight color to highlight my nose as well. Then I'm taking the Wired Black Eyeliner from Urban Decay and giving myself a winged liner. I first like to draw a black line in both my eyes. Then I follow the corner of my eye up to my eyebrow. And then I make a diagonal line connecting to the straight liner. And then I fill it in with the Maybelline Studio Felt Tip Liner in black. And then I'm taking my favorite Faux mink eyelashes, sorry I forgot the name of it, and I'm going to be using the Black House of Lashes lash glue. I got this in New York because I needed it for an event and my other makeup artist friends recommended me to get it. But I'm going to let that sit there and get tacky. Then I'm curling my eyelashes. Then I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Mascara and the Maybelline Falsies Mascara. And then I'm grabbing the lashes and blowing on them and applying them. It's okay, I can blow on my lashes because they're for myself, but if I were to be doing this on a client, I wouldn't blow on them. I would bring a lash fan with me. And then I'm going to be wiping the excess powder off my face with a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to be taking the Becca X Chrissy Teigen Glow Face Palette and taking like basically all the colors in there and a big fat fan brush and like contouring and bronzing my face and highlighting it all at the same time. I've been just recently doing this method and it's great. I know Gigi Gorgeous used this method like a while back. And I'm taking the blush in there. It's a hot pink color. I'm trying to match my hair. And I'm just using a small blush brush and putting on the apples of my cheeks and on my nose because hashtag trendy and emo girl. And then I'm taking the Kylie Bybel palette with the pale color again and that flat eyeshadow brush and making sure to have a punched eye. Then I'm going to be putting mascara on to blend my real lashes with the false ones. And then I'm taking the Carli Bybel palette X BH Cosmetics and using that rose goldy light pink shimmery color in there and the lightest highlighter color she has in there to highlight my face and all the high points of my face. And then I'm putting mascara on the bottom of my lashes. And then I'm wiping off my chapstick so I can put lipstick on. And then I'm just taking a kind of bronzy color in her palette and contouring the sides of my nose. and then I'm making sure you can't see the lash glue or anything like that, and I'm picking a color, and I chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I believe it's in the shade Naked, and I'm just applying that liquid lipstick all over my lips. And then I'm using the 2 hot pink shimmery shades I used on my lid, and I'm putting that on the bottom of my lower lash line to give it a smoky effect and to match the upper eye. Then I'm putting more mascara on, and then I'm using a black pencil. I think that one is by L'Oreal. It's amazing, and I'm just using a brush to open my eye down, and I'm applying it to my tight line waterline. Then I'm just blending my face out with a dual fiber brush and spraying Too Faced setting spray.
Alright guys, my camera's about to die, but that was it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big old thumbs up. I'm really happy with how this makeup turned out. I'm probably just gonna blacken more around my eyes, just put like eyeliner here and in my tear duct. But yeah, if you guys like it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all basically Jade Quesada. I'll leave all the links down below. I hope you guys really like my hair. This is totally out of my comfort zone. I dye my hair a lot, but I've never dyed it pink. I've dyed it red, but that was the only like color I've dyed it like blonde basically, really. And one time I dyed it an auburn color with like red under. I didn't like it, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. All of my makeup product details will be down in the description box, and yeah, let me know what videos you guys want. If you want me to do like how I apply my acrylic nails. These were all gel I did on myself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.